And welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can change the slow motion video speed in the Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus. So at the start, open the camera app, then choose the three line icon, go to the more in this menu bar and choose slow motion. Now tap on the three line icon and choose one of the speeds. I'm gonna pick the maximum slow-mo speed, and now you can record your slow-mo videos. And this is how it looks. With the maximum speed, and this is how it looks with the minimum speed. That's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe, a comment, and goodbye.